Hi everyone, today I have something super exciting for you. We are going to be unboxing and testing out this mystery art supply box. I've got no idea what's inside, so it's going to be a fun surprise. So let's get started. This box is from Liquidation.store and costs £30. They buy excess and liquidation stock, stopping the items going to landfill. The listing says that you're going to receive a random selection from the arts and crafts range and will receive £100 worth of supplies at least. The products range from watercolours, brushes, crayons, pencils, pastels, paints and sketch pads, so a large variety there. And everything will be brand new and in the original packaging. Okay, let's see what we've got. Usually I unbox scrawler boxes and do an art prompt with them. The subscription costs around £22 a month, so I typically buy them during the sales. I've run out of the boxes now before the next sale, so I decided to try something a little bit different today with this mystery supply box. I'll just get the first item out. I want it to be a surprise as well, so I'm not really going to look, I'm just going to grab whatever I feel. Oh, okay. One triangle canvas. Interesting. Two triangle canvases. Okay. Reeves watercolour pencils. I do have some of the Albrecht Dürer Faber-Castell watercolour pencils. I got those in a scrawler box. I'm quite interested in using these and I wanted to get myself a set anyway. I've got 24 of them. Nice and bright colours there. Next. A watercolour paint set with the brush included from Moats Art. 24 colours. This box weighed about 2.5 kilograms. There's quite a lot in here. Arteza watercolour pencils again in silver. Okay, lovely. All silver there. Mozart supplies. These are mechanical pencils, aren't they? 4 of them. Different size nibs. I'm never going to need to buy another pencil again. Arteza. These are neon yellow Everblend art markers. Are they alcohol markers? Ah, yeah, alcohol-based ink. I suppose they're good for if you're doing colouring. You had a television or a fire or something like that. They'd be good to illuminate it. I'd have to see how bright that was. Some more alcohol markers then. Arteza Tuscan Sun. Arteza pouring acrylic colours in coral. That's something that I want to try pouring acrylic. I've not done that yet. Okay, some more Arteza watercolour pencils in plum purple. Big case of Mozart acrylic paint set for artists. 24 essential and vivid colours in 12ml tubes, easily blendable to create an endless myriad of colour and ideal for painting on a variety of surfaces and materials. So another Arteza pouring acrylic in mid-yellow. Reeves coarse texture gel to use with acrylic paint for a sand-like finish that's sure to transport you to distant shores. Experiment with texture by applying the gel on top of acrylic or vice versa. Well, that'd be interesting to try out. Got one watercolour. This is a deep ocean blue. And the last supply we've got here is the Consortium watercolour set. Okay, I found the Moats art store. I was trying to find a little bit more about these because I've never come across them before. A few of the different items that I got in this box are actually available on Amazon. This is the Amazon Moats art store. So the watercolour set was £20.38. Essential mechanical pencil set, 4 sizes. So £4.39 for that. Yeah, the acrylic paints, £5.49. Quite a cheap set, that. Doesn't mean they're going to be bad though, they might be all right. Adding them all up, it equates to about £95 if you were to buy them today off places like Amazon or other sites online. So I don't think that was too bad value for money, and it's got a lot of different supplies in there that have inspired me to do different types of art. I'm going to test out the supplies now that we've seen what's inside. The triangles, I might save for another day. We've got the pouring acrylic in there, and that's something that I've really wanted to give a try. So I might do a video using these triangles with the pouring acrylic and see how that turns out. I'm going to put those aside for now. I want to create a piece of art using all of the art supplies then that we got in the mystery box today. Starting off with the Reeves watercolour pencils. I just want to see what they look like just laying them down, and also adding a bit of water as well to them to see how they blend together. We had this watercolour set from Mozart. Yeah, I'm going to use the brush that came with the set. Nice and bright and vibrant, which I think what you said on the tin. Yeah, they're good. And so next we add these pencils. Let's use the smallest. Feels nice and weighty. I'm just going to do some outlines so I know everything's going. Okay, then next was the watercolour pencils from our teaser. These ones, the purple one's gone a bit, I don't know what's happened to it. Maybe it's been hanging around for a while. It's got a different colour. I feel these are completely different to the Reeves one that I've just tried. Feel the same as putting down the other ones, really. I don't know what they'll look like when I activate with water. Yeah, it goes a lot further, this, than the Reeves ones. The silver sort of picks up. I don't know if it works very well. Next up were the alcohol markers, the Arteza ones. These are fine nib and chisel tip. I'm not going to put too much of this on here. I just want to give them a go, really, and see. I might use alcohol markers separately, doing a colouring page. If that's something that you want to see, let me know, just to get a good proper use out of them. Okay, next up were the Mozart acrylic paints. Yeah, I'm going to mix these with a little bit of the Reeves medium, the coarse texture gel, for just a tiny bit of detail on the trees, I think, at the back. I was thinking, would I have actually bought any of these? And I don't think I would have got acrylic paints because I already have them. But then I've come across a few things here that I wanted to give a try, but hadn't actually gone ahead and bought. So things like the pouring acrylic, watercolour pencils. Yeah, I can't fault these. They're really bright as well, like that red. Coarse texture gel. I'm just going to add it to the green that I've got here. So I'm just going to add it here and see what it looks like. I can really see it's a bit grainy. In fact, it's quite a good thing to use for trees. Oh, I didn't think it would be that good. I'm actually quite a fan of that texture gel. I didn't think I would be. Okay, the Arteza pouring paint. I'll try and just add 2 little bits in there and I'll use it properly when I do the pouring art. It really does go a long way with this. We had the Arteza watercolour pan, ocean blue, which is good because I'm doing water with it now. I like the colour of this one. And lastly, we had the Consortium Child's Paints, which I just did some little details in on the artwork. So yeah, I had a lot of fun unboxing and trying out these mystery art supplies. I think it was worth it. For £30, I got nearly £100 worth of supplies there, and some things I came across that I wouldn't necessarily have picked out if I was looking online on my own. Please let me know your thoughts on this box in the comments. I might try another one of these boxes in a few months. As they say, their stock changes all the time, so it would be nice to unbox a box like this again and get some different supplies. So I'll leave it a few months before I look again. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more art related content. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.